How to edit username on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app in your Android. Now you have to open the Facebook Messenger app. You can see this is the desktop of your Facebook Messenger. At the top left corner, you can see three dots. There is a gear option. You have to click on this gear option, and you can see here account center. You have to click on account center here. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You have to click on the profiles here. Just you have to click on it, and you can see there is an option of username. You can change your username or you can edit your username by clicking on it. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.